Hey guys, Michael from Copper vs Glass. Now in October 2015 I made a video on the plinth phone stand. Now at the time I stated that this was the best phone stand and tablet stand available for the money. Now fast forward 5 years and we have the Easel. This is the next version of the phone stand from Plinth, and again this takes the crown for the best stand for mobile. Let me explain. Now the Easel comes in 4 colours. You have red, purple, blue and a really nice transparent finish. Now you can also get some new sticky pads if you want to reapply it on a new device, and the Easel comes in at only £9, and as always it's going to be linked in that description down below. Packaging of the Easel is simple and clean with all the information about how it works on the outside package. Attaching the Easel is very simple. Just clean the back of your device with the included wipe, remove the 3M backing and line up in the centre of your device, and then boom, you are ready to go. Now firstly, the Easel is very slim at only 2mm compared to maybe 3 times that with something like a pop socket for example, or something else that you can attach to the back of your phone and also use as a stand. Now the stand also has 3 points to set it to, so if you want to have the phone basically upright, you have the option to do so. Now I would recommend applying the Easel to the lower half of the device, as this will prevent it from falling over due to being a little bit top heavy with some devices. It also makes the phone more grippy on certain textures and surfaces, so if I put my phone down here on the sofa it's going to fall straight off. However, because of the ridges and things on the back of the Easel, if that's on my device and I put it down, it's not really going to go anywhere. It's good for video calls, voice calls in portrait mode, and also great for videos in landscape and some hands-free gaming if you've got a controller attached. In regards to a use case, that's kind of it for the hands-free function, but then again, what more do you need from a phone stand? Well, with the Easel you can also use it like a phone grip. All you need to do is open up the stand if you were going to be using it in stand mode, and then you can securely hold your phone with no worry about it slipping out of your hand, and you can also use it for selfies if that's something that you're into. It can actually be quite handy for gripping maybe a larger device or a slippery device. Also, due to the 2mm thickness, you can continue to use most wireless chargers, and it also fits nicely into a pocket with no noticeable change to the thickness. Now one thing that I would recommend if you're not a fan of actually sticking something directly to the back of your phone and having it there 24/7 is to use it on a case. So what I've got here is just a very cheap snap on the back style case. If I then want to put the Easel on there for example, then it basically turns the case into a stand that you can take on and off a little bit more easily, and you also then don't have to worry about the sticky plastic or having to replace that if you want to put it onto a different device later down the line. Speaking of, the Easel also easily comes away from your phone with no sticky residue. However, it is sturdy enough that it won't just move around or fall off, and it is also strong enough to hold your device without you having to worry about it actually coming off completely. So overall, the Easel is a great option for those who want a slim but functional phone stand right there when you need it. Like I mentioned, this will be linked in the description down below, but I will also be doing a giveaway of 12 Easels over on my Instagram account. Now all you have to do is make sure you subscribe to the channel and also leave a comment on the Instagram post, and I'll announce a winner very soon. Delivery may be a little while due to what's going on, but I will still be able to let you know if you've won. If you enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up down below. Any questions or comments, let me know in the comments below or on Twitter at Copper vs Glass. If you're not already subscribed, now is a great time to do so. Also turn on notifications so that you're notified anytime I post a new video here on the channel. I'm Michael from Copper vs Glass. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.